Today, we are talking about theater in Ang Babae sa Septic Tank, Oh Shit, It's Lives at Theater, because as I said earlier, parang naniniwala tayo ngayon or na-experience natin na napaka-popular na pumupunta ang mga tao, this generation, they really like to experience theater. Meron tayong tinatawag na fear of missing out sa theater na makapag-post sila na nanood ako nito and I have something to say o ganyan. So, we try to discuss that in the play, and at the same time, it's a play within a play. So we're doing a play, and you will see how crazy it is to stage a play, especially if you want to say something and at the same time be funny. The other time, just the other day, ewan ko nabasa mo yung post ko, I'm studying a song that I'm going to sing in the play. It's supposed to be really funny. It's hilarious. Pero naiyak ako. Kasi may sinasabi yung kanta, tapos nagagalit yung kanta, pero nakakatawa. So sabi ko, ay, ito pala yung play namin. Ito yung Babae sa Septic Tank. Matatawa ka, maaaliw ka, pero magagalit ka din. For something, you should watch it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So hindi ko na itatanong kung ano bang gustong mensahe.
Baka yung nagagalit ngayon.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Given that tema, gaano ka-importante na ginawa nyo siyang comedy? Comedy ang atake ninyo.
Sabi nila, kapag ka-comedy ang ginawa mong paraan ng paglalahad ng isang mensahe, mas natatanggap. Mas hindi nire-resist. Kasi napatawa mo sila. Pag tumawa sila, nakabukas na sila eh. Tapos pumapasok sa kanila yon. So you have to make them laugh. But in the end, while they're laughing, something is... They're enlightened in a way na hindi sila nag-resist because they laughed with you. Okay? Not at you, but with you. So, comedy is very important if you want to say something na hindi ka agad ipupush away. Kailangan, sabi nga nila, kailangan medyo parang may flavor muna na iba, pero pag kinain na, uy, iba palang sustansya yun. Ganon.